An Indian researcher at Georgetown University, Badar Khan Suri, has just had his deportation temporarily halted by a US federal judge. The case is now making headlines. Accused of having ties to the Hamas, flagged as a national security threat, and suddenly detained by US immigration authorities. Our report decodes this for you.
Badar Khan Suri, a postdoctoral fellow specializing in peace building and conflict resolution in Iraq and Afghanistan, was arrested at his home in Arlington, Virginia, before being swiftly detained in a Louisiana facility, a location known for holding high-risk deportees. The Department of Homeland Security alleges that he has been spreading anti-Semitic propaganda and maintaining ties with Hamas-linked organizations. They claim that his work has indirectly supported extremist narratives and that his affiliations pose a national security risk. But Suri's legal team strongly disputes these accusations, calling them baseless and politically motivated. His lawyer argues that his arrest has nothing to do with security, but everything to do with silencing voices critical of US foreign policy on Israel. Suri's wife, a US citizen of Palestinian descent, has been an outspoken critic of the US administration. Could this have put him on the government's radar? This case is already sparking comparisons to previous crackdowns on Palestinian activists and foreign academics in the US. The American Civil Liberties Union has condemned the arrest, stating that deporting someone over their viewpoints violates the very principles of free speech and academic independence. So what happens now? Can a judge actually stop a deportation? The answer is yes. Federal judges have the power to intervene if they believe an individual's rights are being violated. And that's exactly what happened here. Judge Patricia Tolliver-Giles issued an emergency ruling blocking Suri's deportation for now. But will the government comply? Under the Trump administration, immigration enforcement has often clashed with the judiciary, even defying court rulings in the past. The administration has a history of pushing executive power to the limits where it comes to deportations. Meanwhile, Georgetown University is standing by their researcher, stating that they have seen no credible evidence of wrongdoing. Academics across the country are now rallying behind Suri, fearing this could set a dangerous precedent. Where scholars with dissenting views are forced out under the pretext of national security. For now, Suri remains in detention, awaiting further legal proceedings. But with growing pressure from activists, academics and legal experts, this case is far from over. Will Suri get a fair trial? Or is this the beginning of a broader crackdown on scholars who challenge America's political narrative? Bureau Report, India Today.